Namaste, you gorgeous people. If you feel that you have very damaged hair and all the ads, products, salons have been just confusing you more, then you are at the right place. My name is Deepika, aka Desi Curly, and I'm obsessed with hair care. I make hair care videos on Instagram and YouTube, focusing a lot on curly hair care. I will tell you the exact cause of hair damage, how to prevent it, and simple yet effective solutions to make your hair healthy yet again. Firstly, what is hair damage? In simple words, hair damage is a condition of hair where hair is so weak that it snaps and breaks easily from the middle. This happens when the bonds inside hair are very weak. This leads to hair breakage. Hair fall and hair loss, these are absolutely different. That happens from the roots and is an internal problem. Hair damage, whereas, is an external problem and we can repair it. You will be able to know your hair is damaged if your hair breaks easily when you style it, brush it, or basically do anything with it. This can happen due to pollution, sun damage, heat damage, color and bleach damage, texture change treatments, vigorously brushing or combing hair, washing hair every day, or dryness, which can be naturally, like in case of curly hair, or because of the reasons I just listed. Now the next step for you is to find the cause in your case and deal accordingly. The best way forward is to repair this damage while also preventing further damage. If you are outdoors often, then wear a scarf on your head. You can also make a loose bun and wear a scarf over it. The scarf will create a physical barrier between the environment and your hair. You can also apply heat protectant and hair sunscreen to protect your hair from heat and UV rays. If you like being all fun and creative with your hair, that's great. But also take necessary preventions. Before using heat, use a heat protectant on your hair and end with a nourishing serum to prevent dryness and split ends. When you are using a blow dryer to dry your hair, along with using a heat protectant, use cold to warm air, not the hot one, that too from a distance. We do not want the heat to further fry up our hair, right? When going for coloring, opt for an experienced stylist. Make sure to use bond repair treatment during and after the treatment. This will minimize the bond damage during this coloring session. At home, make sure to follow up with bond repair treatment, protein treatment, and deep conditioning. Plum Olive Macadamia Hair Mask is a really good one for such hair. This has plant keratin to replenish protein. This has fats and emollients to soften hair. If you have extremely damaged hair, then use this after shampoo every 7 to 10 days in place of conditioner. And while your hair is recovering, remember to keep away from heat, color, and bleach. And also keep a sufficient gap in between these treatments. Hair does not get damaged just because of heat, bleach, and color. You will be surprised that it can get damaged because of daily washing and brushing dry hair vigorously. What happens is when our hair gets wet, it swells up and it shrinks while it's drying. It's a normal process, but when it's happened every day, it gets weak. So instead of washing every day, try to use a dry shampoo around roots and scalp and delay the wash day until next day. If your hair is already very weak, then avoid vigorously brushing your dry hair. This damages the cuticle in the long run and then hair just breaks. Opt for wooden or neem combs as they create less friction, and be very gentle when combing. If you have naturally very dry hair because it's curly or wavy or because of its damaged condition, make sure to moisturize it externally like you would do for dry skin. In case of straight hair, use a hair serum and apply it on damp hair from mid-length to ends. Do not leave your hair naked. If you have wavy or curly hair, then opt for a richer moisturizer like leave-in conditioner or hair cream. Apply this on wet hair from roots to ends, and this will keep your hair moisturized for up to 2 to 3 days and will also decrease the chances of split ends, roughness, and dryness. For washing your hair, lightly oil up before shampoo and follow up with a gentle shampoo. And after shampoo, always follow up with a conditioner or deep conditioner. And make sure to sleep on satin instead of cotton pillowcases, and take a break from styling once in a while. In addition to these tips, make sure to eat a well-balanced, nutritious diet, include seeds in your food, and avoid smoking and drinking. This is very important for growing healthy hair. Make sure to follow these tips for a while, and I'm pretty sure your hair will be beautiful and healthy yet again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.